Hello everybody. In this tutorial we will talk about instruction GOTO. We'll create a small program which will count it from 1 to 10. We'll add integer int number which is equal with 1, and now we'll create a label, let's say counting. This is our label which will be taken consideration for the instruction GOTO. Now we'll use printf. Our syntax we'll call the integer, which is the and the number of pass because we're counting. And now we get the statement if number is less than or equal to 20, go to our label, which is this counting in our case, semicolon. We'll run the program and we're counting from 1 to 10 to 20 using that instruction go to. If the condition is touch, we execute the instruction go to and label. We have to keep it in mind. We have to get the label. In our case, it is the counting. Yeah, this is our program. We can change it everywhere, over here. We want to get it counting to 50. We'll run and we're counting from 50. If we want to start counting from 10 to 50, will be started from 10. Thank you for watching. See you next time.